Today I'm going to be making something really yummy, and this is my classic chocolate cream cheese frosting. So let's get on with the ingredients. 3 cups of icing sugar. This is also called confectioner sugar or powdered sugar. A half a cup of cocoa. 1 block of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces or 250 grams. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I am using pure vanilla in this recipe. And a half a cup of butter, and I am using salted butter in this recipe. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For our first step, we're going to get all of our cream cheese into a large bowl. Just going to make sure I get all of it out. That's perfect. And I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese in this recipe, but you can use any type of cream cheese that you have. To that, I'm going to add my butter. And I'll grab my mixer and we're going to start mixing this together. And both my butter and cream cheese are at room temperature. Okay, that's good. And then we'll get in our vanilla. And that's good, just like that. So now we're going to sift in our dry ingredients. So I've got a sieve here, and I'm going to sift in all of my cocoa powder. So gently, just tap your sieve and slowly get all of that in there. And then anything that's left, take the back of a spoon and gently push. And that's perfect. I'm just going to take a little bit of my powdered sugar. And I'll get that in as well. I'm not measuring, I'm just, maybe about a quarter of it. And I'll get that in. So we'll grab our mixer once again and speed number 1. And then we're going to slowly incorporate this. So slowly combine this. You can see how really rich this is. So that's good. And that looks good, just like that. And right now, this is pretty warm, so if you put this into your fridge, for about 15 minutes and then whip it again, this is going to get even more firm. But look at this. Look at how nice this is. Hopefully the camera can pick this up. So just to finish off this video, I have some of the chocolate cream cheese frosting in my piping bag, and I'm just going to pipe some onto a chocolate cupcake, just to show you how nice this is. And there we have it. So I just decided to zoom in a little bit just to show you what this frosting looks like and how well it holds its shape. And there we have it. Really yummy. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.